Alrighty folks, here we are on Possum Kingdom Farms again with Buckeye Chad. Got another adventure here on the farms today. So today we're going to be fixing a little spot on our tractor here. We have us a weight tank here that's full of sand and water that we use as a counterweight on our tractor. And you can see we have a little device built here on the back of it that we used to pick up, and we'd set right in these slots. Well, this side over here I was pulling some pretty heavy logs with a chain hooked in it, and I broke it off. So today we're going to fix that, and what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be putting these hooks on here in order, just like this. We're going to weld them on there just like that. That way, whenever we back up to our tank, they'll fit right under that bar right there. We'll cut some notches out in that so that they'll fit right in there whenever we get them on both sides of this, and we know how wide we need it. That's where we'll cut our slots out right there. So anyhow, about where we want them now. Let's see if we can weld this up today. Back there to fill in. Alrighty, folks, we got them welded on there. You can see we've got them tacked on there. That'll hold anything that little tractor will pick up back there. That'll be good to hang chains when you're moving logs or anything else on. Plus I can carry my deal here. So we're going to get a tape measure and measure what we need to cut out on this down here. And get a couple of our grinding wheels, our cut-off wheels, and put on there and cut us a slot out in that. And then we'll see if it'll lift it up on there the way we're wanting it to anyway. So we'll see. And we'll see how that works out for us. Alright, folks. I appreciate y'all watching again. Buckeye Chad here on Adventures on Possum Kingdom Farm. I'll see y'all next time. God bless. hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Alright, we need that thing from outside to outside to be about 5 1/4 inches. So we're going to go right down here. And we're going to measure 5 1/4 inches. Outside to outside. About even there. Just about like that right there. And 1/4 inches is right there. Just cut out of here. I bent down a little bit, and we'll see if it'll. Oh, we don't stick them in a tar. Now we've got our places in there. If what we've done works. Alright, as you can see there, it fit right in there, hung right on there. We put our strap around the bottom of it. We're good to go. So let's get our strap on there. Alright, we got her all done there. We got a strap around it to hold it in place. Got our little hooks on there to hang it on. That give us a place to hook our chain when we're pulling something. We got another little chain right here with a hook on each end that's real short. We use for a few things. Just little items we keep on the tractor. got a good weight distribution back here for a counterweight, and we'll see how that works out for us. Alright folks, I appreciate y'all watching again. Buckeye Chad here on Adventures on Possum Kingdom Farm. I'll see y'all next time. God bless. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.